The chrome mirror covers that we have here today will be for the 19 and newer Ram owners equipped with those mirror mounted turn signals who may have missed out on the chrome caps from the factory, or maybe you're looking to just replace a damaged set of factory chrome caps but without having replaced the entire mirror. Whatever the case, these options will be sold in pairs for right around 150 bucks. And the install is going to get a strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me. Take about 30 minutes or so to complete from start to finish, as we'll demonstrate later in the video. So again, guys, I feel like these are going to appeal to 2 different types of Ram owners out there. First and foremost, maybe you missed out on the chrome caps from the factory and you just want to kick up the look of those otherwise boring factory black mirrors. Now, on the other hand, if you already have factory chrome caps equipped, but maybe you've cracked one on a trail or in a parking lot or whatever, and you're looking for a replacement, a quality replacement that's not going to make you replace the entire mirror, then again, these are gonna be a great option for you. Now, as far as your construction and materials are concerned here, gang, well, you're actually looking at an ABS plastic base, which has been finished off in a beautiful chrome plating process. When I say beautiful, I mean it. These things are basically mirrors free of any blemishes or imperfections, done in a very good way. Now, speaking of being done in a good way, that fitment is also on point here, as you guys can see with some of our beauty shots, and again, the install here in a minute. But they do fit like a factory part, and also keep in mind that these, again, are gonna be for trucks with those factory mirror mounted turn signals. Now, if you don't have those turn signals on your truck and you prefer something like this, well, we do have them here on the site. Feel free to check out some of our other options after this video. But now what do you say we segue into that installation as promised earlier? And this is gonna be a snap-on job, meaning you're going to have to get a small flathead screwdriver, panel removal tool, whatever the case, gently pry off your factory skull caps, and then snap these guys on in reverse order. We're gonna call 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, guys. Not a terribly difficult job, but one that you should definitely be patient with, take your time, and you should be wrapped up in about 30 minutes or so from start to finish. But to give you a better idea of how things will go down, check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown right now.
Tools for this install: a ratchet or electric ratchet, a T15 Torx bit, a trim panel removal tool, and a flathead screwdriver. Hey guys, today we have our 2019 Ram. I'm gonna show you how to get your mirror cover changed out. First, we're gonna take your trim panel removal tool, wedge that behind the mirror itself, and give it a little tug. And disconnect your wiring harness from the back of your mirror. Now, taking your T15 Torx bit, remove the screw on the furthest outside of the mirror. Now, taking a flathead screwdriver, we're going to press on the 4 tabs at the top, holding the mirror cover on. Now you should be able to get your mirror cover removed. Now we can take our new mirror cover and put it in place. Make sure you push it down until you hear a pop. Replace your T15 Torx screw. Plug in your mirror harness. And put your mirror back in place. Now repeat those steps on your driver's side, but for us, that's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the mirror covers in chrome, fitting your 19 and newer Ram 1500, Bighorn, Lone Star, Rebel, and Tradesman. Thanks for watching, guys. For more videos just like this, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.